Okay, so I found a woodpecker. Let's see if I can get him. Take a picture of him. Around the tree. It's muddy back here, so I gotta be careful. Ugh. Get in the mud. Let's see. Let's see. I can get him without getting muddy and in the mud. There he is. There he is. There's Woody. Hey, Woody. Hey, Woody. What do you fly away for? There you go. There he is. There's Woody. There he is. There's Woody. Look at him. Get it, Woody. Get it, Woody. Get it, get it, get it, get it. It's Woody Woodpecker. Oh my God. It's so pretty. It's got the pretty red crown. Look at him. I guess that's what you call it. Look at Woody. I lost him again. Woody. It's awesome. Alright, so it is St. Patty's Day today. So there's Clovers. Clovers. Can we find a 4-leaf clover? Let's see. 444. Is there a 4-leaf clover in here? See a 3. 3. 3. 3s. Well, look like I'm gonna strike out. Well, no luck today. Nothing but 3-leaf clovers. But I did get to see the woodpecker. I did get to see Woody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive notifications when we put out a new video.